effed. Effed in
Sweep
the A with the big
ESU5
fat
CME
D.
buyers at 6,535.5. Absorption ESU5 CME sellers at 6,535.5. Sweep NQU5 CME buyers at 23,878.75.
Yeah, that's weird. Is it the first time you've used it? I've never used Take Profit Trader. So it's just something happening today, kind of? Yeah, that's pretty messed up. I mean, I remember like a lot of services like Top Step was really good at resetting if they had an issue. Apex, unless it was widespread, would be like it's your own fault or kind of thing. Or they like ask for you to send your video evidence or something.
Absorption ESU5 CME buyers at 65.37.
Top Step has like a return to funded thing. I saw an email about that. Like you can pay $500 to get your funded account back. I don't know, someone impatient that doesn't want to pass again, I guess. Right.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 65.38.
Yeah, that's why I was kind of like weirded out by when Top Step, like, they stopped doing Ninja and all that. It was kind of weird that they what do you call it? Made it exclusive to their platform or whatever. It was such a pain to get Ninja Trader to work originally on Parallel, so I still like it for its stability. Like, I haven't really had any issues once I got it working, but it was a pain to get it working to begin with.
Sweep and QU 5 CME sellers at 23,895.
Or a couple times. And Diablo and on WoW. Anybody play the hardcore server on Diablo? Bro. Diablo 2? Fuck, that was gnarly. Getting fucking people.
Do, do, do. Yo. Good question. Getting some profit taking here. Don't be mean.
Let's go, bub. Ready, fight! Charging victory! Soldier. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Up the flat. Steam. Gene splice. Gene splice. Cyclone kick. Behold. Up the flat. Up the flat. Micro. Up the flat. Omega strike. Up the flat. Gene splice. Gene splice. Omega strike. Omega strike. Cyclone kick. Gene splice. Up the flat. Carbonadium smasher. Omega charger. Your turn. Victory. Omega strike. Charging star. Shield strike. Stars and stripes. Final judgment. Charging star. Omega strike. Charging star. Danger. Shield slash. Yes. Gene splice. Behold. Up the flat. Up the flat. Gene splice. Cyclone kick. Shield slash. Final justice. Charging star. Charging star. Omega strike. Shield slash. Omega strike. Stars and stripes. Charging. Omega strike. Captain America. Freedom prevails. Thumbs up, soldier. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Up the glass. Up the glass. Cyclone kick. Up the glass. Up the glass. Up the glass. Cyclone kick. Cycle. Behold. Up the glass. KO. Cycle. I did it. Dream, don't die. Thumbs up, soldier. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Up the glass. Up the glass. Behold. Up danger. Your turn. Victory. Charging star. Shield slash. Stars and stripes. Shield slash. Shield slash. Shield slash. Final. Hyper combo finish! KO! McGee! Continue!
Okay, we got 3 minutes plus some change. So we're getting some fair amount of lots up in this region, but it's just too early to the open, and there's been a large move expressed, so some consolidation. I'm just need to wait to see what's going on. Did Tio reset or just disappear? If you guys want to watch my stream, if we can get the viewers up to 10 concurrent, I can give a free Apex away again. Let's get it up to 10. Only if I scream and yell. I can't. My wife and kids are sleeping. Just check the profile, AK. The link's in the profile, bro. You can see all these like lots I circled. We got 4K on the delta for the session thus far, so we've had a 4K delta push. Getting some buyers randomly entering here, 86 and 85, and then it promptly rejected them, so you could be getting some buyer absorption right now. I don't know why you would buy right there, but okay. $30. Nice. If you want, oh, nice. If you want to hit the comment on yesterday's video, because you can't comment on the active stream, then that'll enter you. And then we'll try to draw a year. Oh, we're open. An hour after open. Okay. Getting some push down here with some buyer interest on the way.
Sweep and QU5 CME buyers at 23,899.25. Absorption and QU5 CME sellers at 23,900.
hit 5K in buy side there. I just took the buyer absorption and just got paid 76 ticks. Cha-ching! Oh, stopped out on the run. But either way. I think that might be enough for that. That was just instantaneous. Yesterday was like $1,000 in 2 minutes, so. I was looking at these buyers. It hit another 153 lot at 900, and then I was like seeing it reject some of these buy lots. So I was like, okay, buyer absorption for the win, and then instant 70 ticks.
Absorption ESU5 CME sellers at 6,540.25.
So far rejecting these buyers, so you could see more buyer absorption with the little FU candle rise to stop out the shorters, but could be a descending channel. Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks like the buyer absorption is real and we're getting these pullbacks. We got the volume imbalance down at the 835 region, I guess.
Absorption
On the
ESU5
1,000
CME
tick.
buyers at 65.38.
We're hitting like a previous swing high point that we initially rejected off of on the way up here. But it was like a swing high from way back when. When was that? July 31st. No. No, I don't think so either. I was just looking at that buyer absorption on the short term. But ultimately getting in line with the long would be the play. But we did have 5K in buy side aggression, so getting a little bit of the test of the sell side here is more reasonable to think. That beautiful hit to the 153 lot at 900 and then promptly rejecting would have been an awesome entry at 900. Makes sense. We got a previous week high at 803.50, and we got a volume point of control from August 15th at 808.25.
Sweep NQU5 CME sellers at 23,839. Absorption NQU5 CME buyers at 23,839.
Now we just hit 200 in sell side. And we filled that volume imbalance on the You said ride it. We got an 89 lot buyer here, so could use that a little bit. Or they're stepping up. Steppinopolis. ES still kind of holding that drop point. It's not really breaking it. Here it goes. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna trade that. That 368 I got in like a minute is like a good way to end a Friday. But I'll just like see if I can see any low-hanging fruit for any of you all. I mean, it looks like it's gonna buyer absorption these like 95 and 63 lot guys at 841. If it goes below 841, it's gonna go a little bit lower.
Absorption ESU
Here it
5
goes.
CME buyers at 65.34.
Buyer absorption for the win. Brrrt. And that's how it works. And then you just go. Then you just set that junks to break even, and then that's a free trade.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,533.75.
Hitting some sell side, so it could F you up a little bit. Nope. Sellers stepping up here. No. How's ES doing? ES still testing the low break. Yeah, AK, I'm on YouTube. You gotta check my profile. And if you do, then go ahead and hit my hit a comment on yesterday's video, and then that'll enter you for a free Apex trial. I recommend the 250K, but yeah. Nice. And then within like an hour after open, we'll do a drawing. This Friday, we gotta have something cool. But we can get. It's Friday night.
Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,537.75. Sweep NQU 5 CME buyers at 23,847. Sweep NQU 5 CME buyers at 23,850.
Toy, it's not just a comment on the actual video itself, like the YouTube comment for yesterday. Hitting some buy side here. Wow, like 300 in buy side at 850. And then it's going back on its merry way. Oh, nice. Boom, 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 boom. The buyers are stepping back up to the plate. Getting some money flow divergence on that.
Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at
Well, it's coming above these 300 buyers, so
6,538.75.
they're looking to take it up by the looks of it. The buyers are
Sweep and
giving
QU5
their hand.
CME
There's
buyers
another
at
100 lot. So
23,868.25.
the buyers are starting to say we're coming back. Yes, also pulling up a little bit. All of these are fresh longs, though, right here. There's a lot of fresh buyers now at 875 to 880. So they could go test a little bit of sell side off those guys. And sure enough, hit 49 at 860. See, they take those guys that bought up there thinking it's going to continue, and then they go turn them into sell side, and then a passive whale like absorbs it. And then you get the slingshot. Some more sellers adding at 871. Boop boopy doo. So we're back to all those previous other lots from the pre-market. So that could be resistance. And sure enough,
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,534.75.
NQ's behavior pattern in the last few weeks has been a lot of like repainting each action with the equal reaction and then continues. Like, it's pretty nasty. Like, unless you like commit to like having a pretty like either you take while the taking's takeable, like I just did in that 1 minute, and then like call it a day. Like, you could easily get faked out and give it back by trying to trade multiple times. Like, it's not really like all of these candles, like all of these 1,000 tick candles are like, you have a red and a green and a red and a green. It's like railroad tracks. It's like every 1,000 trades goes the other way of the last candle. Like, you'd have to have a stop at the high and then just like wait for one of these lots to get hit and then get in on those guys. We're back at that previous swing high region from July 31st. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six, okay. Well, we got only 6 people on the comments for the yesterday video. If you guys want to add a comment to that to get in the Apex trial, like eval giveaway. Here's the yesterday's video.
Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,539.5.
Wait, did my stream get frozen? Oh, no, it's...
Sweep ES.
Let me fix my audio. It looks like it's messed up.
Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,536.25. Sweep NQU 5 CME sellers at 23,875.25. Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,532.5.
That was a massive pullback into 668 sell side.
Sweep
ES did
ESU
it too.
5 CME sellers at 65.29. Sweep
ES
NQU
broke the
5
lows,
CME
so
sellers at
NQ should follow here.
23,843.25. Absorption NQU 5 CME buyers at 23,842.75.
We just hit another 400 in sell side at 842. Patience is the way to be. I think you're onto something about waiting for another key level. Like this is looking like the trappy time, the trappy section. The trapeze artist.
Absorption NQU 5 CME sellers at 23,865.
Ba-dum-boom.
Sweep NQU 5 CME buyers at 23,865.25.
They just hit 145 in buy side at 865. I think they were testing to see if that 400 lot seller, how much of them were new shorts. FU candle indeed. Yep.
Sweep NQU 5 CME sellers at 23,836.75.
Here we go.
Absorption ESU 5
Yes, about to
CME
hit
buyers
some
at
resting orders at
6,526.75. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,526.75.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 3 minutes until the hourly close. 4 minutes, sorry. 3 minutes and some change. Yes, bouncing off those resting orders at 65.25. It's probably going to do one of those fake outs where it like stabs it like a Darth Maul, like psst, down to the... Back in the Bitcoin days, we had these like different terminologies, like a saber that, like a candle that goes to both sides, like with wicks on both sides, was called a Darth Maul. Like the news candles did that a lot. It's just like, fuck you both. Ooh, they had a 99 lot buyer at 847 and they just like absorbed them immediately. Like, we got you, sucker. They're retesting them. Want to add more, man? You want to add more?
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 65.25.
They're like, here you go. You can add some more if you like. Comma bounce. I took a 70 tick win in the first 1 minute and then I'm just chilling. Quality over quantity. And I don't want to give back on a Friday. No thanks. Like yesterday, it was like in 2 minutes I got 1,000, and today's like 348 or whatever. But still, that's like money I didn't have before that 1 minute. So it's like, why do I need more than that? I'm waiting for some top step to reset, and then like if you had another account, that's when you would switch to another account. But yeah, I'm of the mind like if you get something on a account, then don't go back to it. Just switch and move on. Especially if it qualifies as a payout day. That's all they want to see is consistency. So as long as you just consistently take instead of give back. Here we go. Break
Sweep
to the
and QU5
downside.
CME sellers at 23,815.
Just hit another 500 in sell side with that drop down from 855 to 811. And the hourly closed. So it looks like we're going to get what Dave was looking for down at the 808s and the previous week high
Sweep
at 803.
ESU5 CME sellers at 6,522.25. Absorption ESU5 CME buyers at 6,522.5. Absorption ESU5 CME buyers at 65.20.
And boom. ES also swept some resting orders at 65.20. Yeah, I was gonna say look for some divergence of some kind or some like large player get liquidated. Yeah, you got the 80825 August 15th volume point of control, previous week high 80375. Another swing low which we reacted off of at 793.50, but other than that, nothing else around here. So that they've got some key levels around here. You have a plan and some patience, like, you know, just yeah, I'm still not seeing any sell side hit yet, so I'm still not giving 2 thumbs up, but theoretically on the key levels, that's a thumbs up from me. But technically, you've entered into the hour of power. Nice, C-Bite. Good job. Quit while you're ahead. C-Bite, just make a comment on that yesterday video and just hang around for the giveaway for the eval. We'll start locking it in the next 15-minute candle, I guess. So drop your comments now. Hit that subscribe, yeah.
Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,523.5.
Hopefully my other like acrylic tubes come today so I can, or sorry, tomorrow, Saturday, so I can do some work on Sunday. Those dumb AliExpress people like that messed up my first order are keeping me waiting now for the next. Understandably so. Again, the previous week high at 803.75. So how does that hold up if it does? Or it just rips right through. But we just swept some sell side, 252 with that push down and a 63 lot right at 79250 that it just like seemingly liquidated. So, yeah. Everything takes time to percolate, yeah. Right. Yeah, there's nothing else here. There's a previous swing low at the wick where we just wicked off of, which is something we reacted off of before. Let me go back. Why do I have that on the chart? That was a previous swing low from August 14th that we rejected off of on August 29th. So it's kind of like a inflection point of sorts, but we're going right through it. Or are we?
Absorption ESU5 CME sellers at 6,517.75. Absorption ESU5 CME sellers at 6,516.5. Sweep ESU5 CME buyers at 6,516.5.
We're hitting some sell side without follow through at the value area low at 795. I don't know. This, if you were going to value this as a long level or this holding, this
Absorption NQU5 CME sellers at 23,800.
there was a 233 buyer that just entered here at 800. Not sure what that was, whether it's a short closing or somebody trying to iceberg in a long. Nice. Well, good that you're on sides now. Yeah, ES looks like it's going to sweep the 65.10s because there's some resting orders here. Three minutes, and then we'll check the comments from yesterday. especially for the railroad tracks pattern that it's been in for the last few weeks. It just retraces on everything. Nice, we got 11 comments so far. Okay, so we will do the random YouTube comment selector. If you want to get
Absorption
your
ESU
comment
5
in,
CME
now's
buyers
the
at
time.
6512. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6510.5.
Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Acceleration to the downside.
Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6510.
Okay, let's go ahead and pull up the comment selector thing. So we got 12 comments.
Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at
And the winner is
6506.75.
Jijing Kanji BBB. Triple B Kanji. It says, thanks for streaming AK. AK. So that's AK. Alright, congratulations AK. Woohoo.
Absorption
You just got
ESU
yourself
5
an
CME
Apex
buyers at
eval.
6506. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6505.
Nice. Just go ahead and message me in Discord and then I'll give you the details. Booyah. Damn, we just retraced on all of the move basically. We got the wick down at like 720 from the push up. That's the last potential defensive thing, but with this pressure, like, or the speed of the drop, I should say, there is no real pressure. Yeah, same. Like, there's no worse feeling than ending your Friday like red. Especially if you were up too and you're like, man. Yeah.
Sweep and QU5 CME buyers at
Because you're like, you know, you could have quit when you were ahead and you didn't.
Absorption ESU5 CME sellers at 6,501.25. Sweep ESU5
kept
CME
mine,
sellers
so
at
I'm happy.
6501.
And on that note, guys, you should enjoy the rest of your Friday and weekend. So stay positive, stay frugal, stay blessed, and we'll see you